Hey guys, today we are going to see how effective Canva is in removing background from images. Do stay tuned till the end as I will be showing you a few examples. Hey guys, let's start by creating a design. We're going to click on create the design and we're going to choose one of the custom measurements. As usual, I will choose 4000 by 4000 pixel for this presentation. Once the workspace loads, I'm going to change the background color. This step is not necessary. I do this for my convenience so that I can see if when I remove the background, if there needs to be any refining or things like that. So I'm going to go to photos and I'm going to choose a picture that I want to change the background image of. Okay, cat is what I'm going to search for. And here are a lot of pictures with a lot of background, and let me try this. This one has a few shades, so let's see what we can do. Click on edit image and find the tab called the background remover. Background remover is a pro feature, so if you don't have a pro account, I strongly urge you to get one. Click on the background remover and then wait for it to remove the background. This one usually takes anywhere between 2 to 5 seconds. If it takes longer, just hold on a little while, and if there's any issue, it will give a pop-up message. Otherwise, the background will be removed, and just check on it, and if you need to refine anything, just go to erase or restore button, and then you can play around with it and change it. You just need to have a little bit of a steady hand in order for you to get the final touch that you need. Just play around with it, and once you have it, you have successfully removed the background image from a picture in Canva. So this is a very good feature, and Canva Pro, getting a Canva Pro account really for this reason is how do you say, it saves you a lot of time. So do consider getting a pro account. If you just want to try it out, you can find the link in the description box below. Okay, so I'm almost done. So that is just the whiskers. I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, I think we're done. I'm just going to click on done. It's on top. Okay, click on done and then click on apply. Be sure to click on apply every time you remove a background image, because Canva, sometimes I have noticed that the background tends to come back if you don't click on the apply button. Okay, now you can crop your image to your liking, and the very how do you say, what impresses me most is that when you can copy and paste this image and the background will not be there. It will be a new different. You see what happened there? The background is removed and you have the exact same copy as the one you had removed the background from. So this is a very cool feature, and when you look at it also, the removal of the background is very precise. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to use the same thing, big cats, and let's find some other image. Okay, maybe this one. It has more than one animal in it. Let's see how precise this can get. So let's go to edit image. We're going to do the BG remover and we'll wait for the results to come. It depends on the size of the image. If the image size is a bit too big, then it will take some time. Okay, now it's done. So I'm going to just click on apply, and if you look at it, you can see how precise the removal of the background is. See, when I change the color of the background of the workspace, you can see that I don't think there's anything you need to restore or erase from this. So it's kind of perfect. You can actually pop if you want. and do all kinds of things. Once the background is removed, you can change the background to something else, you know. So background remover in Canva is very powerful. Let's try with something more how do you say, a more complicated. Maybe this girl. Okay, okay, hold on, let it load. Oh, sorry guys, my connection is having some kind of a issue. Okay, so this girl has, okay, sorry I went offline, hold on a minute. Okay, so I'm going to edit the image and I'm going to go to the background remover. This picture is a little bit more complicated because she has her strands of hair it coincides with the background, so it will be interesting how Canva removes the background from her, in between her hair strands. So let's just wait for the results to come. Okay, here they are. Wow. Okay, click on apply and I'm just going to crop it a little bit. I'm going to resize this. Okay, Canva is I love this thing about Canva, that you can magically resize any image, you know, and you won't lose the clarity of it. So see how precise the removal of the background is. It's the strand of hair is not cut off in any places. There's no glimpses of a background and anywhere in between her strands. Okay, change the background and let's look at it clearly. It's very precise. So really guys, you should consider getting a Canva Pro account just for this tool. Okay, let's try another one. Don't think that this one only works for all the photos and pictures in Canva. And I'm going to upload one of my own. This is one of my own picture that I uploaded, and I'm going to edit this image. It has a few things going on in the background, like the lamp and the flower vase and stuff. So let's see how. Okay, see okay, I'm having some connection issues, but let me try again. I'm going to click on the image, click on edit image and background remove. Okay, it's working now. Okay, let's just wait a few seconds. And here it is. Everything in the background is removed and it's very precise. I'm going to crop it and show you how precise this one actually is. This photo has no creases. The hand near the hands and stuff. You know, the dress creases is there, the sweatshirt crease. So when you look at it closely, you can see that it is very precise. You don't have to do any you don't have to go into any other software and use to, you know, like remove or anything. You can shop this merchandise from my Redbubble shop. Link is in the description box below. Okay, so that is it guys. So if you would like to get a pro account, the description box below contains the link, so click on it and try it out for yourself. You can get a 30-day trial for Canva Pro. Click on the link in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.